Alright, let's go for a little springtime walk here. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. A little rainy day. I'm gonna go down and close the chicken tractor. Hey, Stinky. There's the chicken tractor. A couple little ones have ventured out. See, one of the old flock is up there with them. Let's see if we can get him back in. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. There's the old flock out there. Here's the chicken tractor flock. Young pullets. Meat chickens, all the same age. They're still very young. Still weaning off some commercial feed onto some sprouts here. Alright, time to stay inside, you girls. New egg layers to promote to the chicken coop. Meat chickens to promote to freezer camp. But first, they got to help renovate these pastures. They'll travel all the way downfield and be down there near the roundhouse by the end of summer.